G'day guys, I watched a video the other day from Swinging with Willie, and he was doing a bit of metal detecting at the front of a school, and I thought, I've never done the sort of pavement area in front of a school, and thought, why not give it a go? So that's what I'm going to do tonight, just for about 30 minutes. Just run along this strip here and see if we can find anything. Alright, just come across my first target. Might be junk. It's right on the surface. What is a coin? Now let's see. I reckon that's a 2-cent piece. It's giving me some high numbers, about 25. So it's a bit tricky here with the concrete, but I'll keep going and see what comes up next. Alright, I'm a bit cherry picking, so I'm looking for those signals in the 20s and maybe something a bit interesting. So second target, 1-cent piece. Alright guys, third target. I'm calling it a 20-cent piece. Looks a bit brown, right on the surface. Right here, up on the surface. Nice and easy to get. I'll keep going, see what happens. Alright, target number 4. Just dug out of this clump, or just dug this clump out just here. And I'm getting a signal here, so somewhere in here. No, not that. Okay. That's just a bit of wire. Still something in this clump. Oh, there it is. Thought it was too good of a signal to be just wire. Well, just there. $2 coin. Alright, back to it. Alright, this is the 5th signal. Not very deep, pretty shallow. Maybe about 3 inches, if that. $1 coin. Back to it. Alright, always pays to check your holes. So after I dug the dollar coin, second $1 coin. Alright, back to it. Alright, so 1 coin there, 1 coin there, and now right in the middle, $2 coin. Now I suspected this would be a good spot to find some new stuff. It's just right here, there's a entrance. So entrance to the school, bit of grass beforehand, and every parent's probably dropping their kids off in the same place, and they're checking their canteen money before they go in and dropping it all out here for me. Alright, back to it. Alright, you wouldn't believe it. Check the hole again. Another $1 coin. Just pick my detector up before I move from this spot. I'll start moving along. That's it. So, yeah, surprisingly enough, 3. Oh, wait a second. That might have just been me shovel. No, that's it. Alright. Now, even though I'm getting signals like this, 12, 13s, it's most probably going to be junk. If I had more time, I might dig it. Oh, wait a second. Whoa. No, just a little bit of junk. Alright, back to it. Alright, next target. This one was quite deep. Probably a good 6 inches. Coming around about a 26, and I'll film this all at the end, but I reckon that's a 2-cent piece. Alright, back to it. Alright guys, next target, coming in about a 27. Seemed up near the surface. Now, I'm going to have a look at this under light. I don't even know what the hell this is. I'd say it's modern. I don't know. Look, I'll get some better light on this thing, and we'll see what this is. It's too big to be a 20-cent piece. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see when I get back to the car. Alright, next target. This one has come out in the dirt clump. See it there. I'd say that's a 1-cent piece. Just by the numbers, I think it's coming around about 22. But yeah, back to it. Right, next target, just near this little tree. I thought probably going to be junk. Looks to be a $1 coin. Alright, back to it. Alright guys, back in the car. So we're off with the first find. Well, not the first find, but the first thing I'm picking up. $2 coin. That's definitely a 1-cent piece. That's a 20-cent piece. $1 coin. It's another $1 coin. $2-cent piece. Another $1 coin. That's another $1 coin. So I've got a whole $6.20 at the moment. That's another $2 coin. So $8.20. That is a 1-cent piece. Yeah, definitely a 1-center. Another 2-cent piece. Yep. And I'm calling it the find of the day. Protected by angels. Angels? Yeah, protected by angels. Don't know. Don't know. This one's got me stumped. If anyone knows what it is, or seen one of these things before, let us know. I hope you enjoy this. It's a bit different from me gold prospecting, but thought, as I mentioned earlier, had a couple of subscribers join in that are into this sort of coin hunting. I've got the Equinox 800 there, and I actually do quite a bit of it through the week when I'm not prospecting. I sort of change it up a bit, and I thought I'd just put something out there. So I hope you have enjoyed this one, and if anyone's got any details on this coin, please let us know. All right, till the next time, see you all later.